Hello everyone, welcome back to another AutoCAD practice exercise. Today we will working on exercise 57, a clean and useful 2D sketch that's perfect for beginners. We'll draw this step by step using a simple AutoCAD command. Okay, so let's get started. Step 1. Draw the center circle. As you see in this diagram, this one is our center circle. Diameter will be 50. This one is our center circle. So just using P for pan and pan this one here. Let's start from the center. Draw a circle with a diameter 50 unit using circle command. Activate circle using C, enter. Click on first point. D for diameter 50. Now step 2. Add the inner circle. So this one is our inner circle. Dia will be 35. Just activate circle using C, enter. Click on center point and put a value as a diameter 35. Press enter. Now step 3. Draw the right circular feature. As you see in this diagram, this one is our right circular feature. We need to create this one. Move to the right and draw a circle with a diameter 30. This one is the outer circle. Then a smaller one inside it with a diameter 20. So use C for circle command. Put it here as same center point using D, enter. 3030. Select this circle using M for move. Click on specific point and move at the right side as a 8080. Now create inside circle using C, enter. Click on same center point using D for diameter 2020. Now need to add these or shape. So just activate circle using C, enter. TTR, enter. Click on this tangent point and also second click on this outer circle's tangent point and put a value 166. Press enter. Now TR, enter. T for cutting edge. Select this circle to this circle. Press enter and trim this circle. Now select this arc using MI for mirror. Click on the same center point to the center point. Choose as a no. Now our one side wings complete. Now need to create this one. Okay. Now step 4. Draw the left circular feature. Now go to the left side and draw a circle as a diameter 35. Inside this circle, draw a hexagon using polyline command with the 6 side inscribed it in a circle of diameter 20. Just activate C for circle command. Click on first point using D for diameter 3535. Okay. Now create polygon using POL for polygon. Numbers of sides 6. Click on same center point. Choose as an inscribed circle. Diameter of this circle as a 20. Need to put as a 10. Now select both one using M for move. Click on center point. Choose from. Press enter. Click on this point and put it upside as a 70. Now create a line from here to here. Select both one using RO for rotate and click on the center point and choose a angle as a 35. Press enter. Select this line. Go to properties. Change a line type as a center and color will be red. Now need to add these curves. So you can use a command, but I prefer circle is the best option. So using C for circle command, TTR for tangent radius. Select this circle to this circle and put a value 50. Press enter. Now TR, enter. T for cutting edge. Select this circle to this circle. Press enter and trim this one. Again select this arc using MI for mirror. Click on this point to this point. Choose as a node. Now step 5. Clean up and final touch. So select all the diagram except the center line. Go to properties and change our line thickness as a 0.30. Now use CM for center mark. Click on this circle to this circle to this circle. Choose MA for match. Select these two, this one and this one. Also this one. Now step 6. Add dimension. So you know how can add dimension using DDI for dimension diameter command. Click on this one to this one and this one. Also you can add this one. DRA for dimension radius. So click on this one and also for this one. DAN for dimension angular command. Select this line to this line. Just put it here. After you add dimension very properly, your drawing is exactly ready. You can download the project file of this exercise from the link in the description for practice. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like this video, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more AutoCAD practice drawing. And also consider join the channel to access exclusive DWG file and support our content creation. So thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Tata, bye bye, take care.